Welcome back to Toomas Tips. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful AI tools for coding support, Claude AI by Anthropic. Whether you need help generating code, debugging, or even learning programming concepts, Claude AI can be a valuable assistant. Before using Claude AI, you'll need to set up an account and verify your age. Once you completed this step, you'll be welcomed by a familiar chat interface, much like other AI-powered tools such as ChatGPT or Copilot. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced developers. Now, let's jump right in and explore what makes Claude AI a top choice for coding assistants. One of Claude's AI strengths is its ability to generate functional code in various programming languages based on user preferences. To demonstrate this, let's ask Claude to create a simple snake game in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I have prompted the AI to generate a snake game using HTML. Within seconds, Claude AI produced a fully functional snake game that can be copied and tested immediately in your browser. The tool ensures clarity by adding comments and guidelines within the code, making it easier to understand even for beginners. And as you can see, the game works perfectly. All you need to do is copy the code and everything is set up and ready to go. This feature is especially useful for game developers and anyone looking to experiment with the interactive application. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can simply prompt to change what you would like to see and the AI tool will do the rest. As the second use case, it can support different design creation. For front-end developers, Claude AI offers excellent support in designing and structuring web pages. Not only can it generate HTML and CSS code, but it can also analyze design patterns and suggest improvements. Let's test it out by asking it to generate a landing page for a pizza restaurant. So I have prompted the tool to create a landing page for a pizza restaurant. As you can see, Claude quickly provides a structured HTML file, a well-designed CSS layout, optional JavaScript for interactive elements such as dynamic menu or ordering system. The tool has pointed out everything that can be seen on the landing page. Additionally, if you have a specific design in mind, you can upload a screenshot and ask Claude to generate a similar layout, making it an incredible tool for UI and UX designers. Claude AI doesn't just generate code, it can also help to debug and improve existing code. To test this, I purposely entered faulty code to see how well the tool could identify and correct mistakes. I have prompted it to debug the following code and let me know what mistakes were made. After submitting a buggy to-do list application, Claude AI quickly analyzed the errors and provided detailed feedback. It pointed out issues like incorrect assignments, undefined variables, and misused properties, explaining each mistake clearly and suggesting proper fixes. This feature is especially useful for developers working on complex projects, as it not only finds errors but also teaches best coding practices along the way. Once done, you can ask the tool to run the code in HTML and test it out. As you can see, within a minute I was able to fix everything, while manually it could have taken me a really long time. Overall, Claude AI is a fantastic tool for both beginners and experienced programmers. Whether you need help generating code, debugging errors, designing websites, or staying up to date with real-time web searches, Claude AI delivers outstanding results. Besides this, Claude AI includes all the functionalities you'd expect from other chatbots like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Let's Chat. However, it particularly stands out when it comes to coding tasks, making it a top choice for developers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on more AI tool reviews and coding tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.